Lonero is an e-learning platform for extracurricular activities, including 6 categories: performing arts, fine arts, business education, health and fitness, IT, and languages. These 6 categories are the ones to start off with, and we definitely aim to dive deeper into other categories as well. We aim to connect students and instructors from all across the globe to emphasize on the importance of extracurricular activities and shift the manual process of looking for a class in your locality or going for extracurricular classes after school to an online platform, and expand horizons for the underprivileged people and expand horizons for everybody who aims to learn from people from all across the globe.
Global businesses is all about building the factor of trust. You will 100% make mistakes, but that doesn't mean that you actually lose their trust. So as long as you are able to build a global business where you establish a culture of trust and transparency, you show your sincerity and transparency, that matters a lot. Always be grateful. The fact that you are born in an era where you see unlimited possibilities is a fantastic one. Every company starts with an idea, and every idea comes from an inspiration. And inspiration happens only when you allow your brain to give it moments for getting inspired. So make time for it.
What makes a successful startup is, number one, is choosing a big problem to solve. And around that is the timing good. So that's the number one thing. I've identified this problem, and I'm really passionate about trying to fix this problem for people. So if your solution requires certain things like ecosystem to be in place, then you kind of try to get the timing right, which is really, really, really hard.
A lot of success or failure is a function of how you react to those situations. So unless your heart is in the right place, you might not have the fight left to fight another day. And a lot of startups which shut down are shut down precisely because of this reason. And I genuinely believe that why is missing from most of the definition. And if I make those mistakes, if I make those decisions which I should not have in the first place, I should be the first one to own up to that. So there cannot be any egos. There is no place for egos. If you believe something is not going in the right direction, and even if that strategy was your baby, you should be the first person to turn around everything in 48 hours and say that, okay, that was wrong. I'm shelving it away, and this is something new. That I think that that belief, and if you say the same thing again and again, that basically fake it till you make it, that this is where we want to be, right from the morning till the evening, people inherently start believing in that. There will be handsome rewards at the end of the journey if we do most things right than more things wrong. It's not every single day you get an opportunity. Trust me, not every single day you will get an opportunity to make a difference.
If you're not optimistic, I don't think you can be an entrepreneur. You have to be the number one believer in what you're doing. And to be the number one believer in what you're doing, you have to be an optimist, right? Obstacles are just things that you need to do to get to where you have to get to. And do whatever it takes to stay in the game. The key to entrepreneurship is to actually do it. Right? And that's the hardest part.
Every big success story in business is the result of the work of many, many people. It's always a key focus of any brand, because a brand is only as strong as its weakest link. So alignment of goals right from the start. And you as the CEO, you have to have your top lieutenants or the people that work with you, they have to understand your vision for the company.
What would you say to a student that wants to launch his or her own project?
Go for it. Just do it. Knowledge comes with experience, not with the amount of time or the amount of years you spend on something. It's about what intensity you are learning something with. It's not all rainbows and sunshines. Be ready for the time commitment. Be ready for the ups and downs. Be ready for the challenges. At the end of the day, if you really want to be an entrepreneur, you will have to come across these challenges. Think of it in the long run. Be realistic about it, but have a big vision.